standbys, waiting for dole-outs. It is trying not to be able to make one's living life, he said. Another recipient, Francisco Paxalat, saw the boats as a means to get their life back to normal since Yolanda, he and his family have been lying in a tent. His two children also had to drop out of college. The turnover of finishing boats also marked the start of NBC's 6 months bingo feeding program of 6,125 children aged 6 months to 3 years in Yolanda hit fishing villager. Lean is an NBC-produced Frido made of powderized mango and malunggay mixed with water. NBC President Marcalio said the 230 bananas from donors all over the world bought 500 bananas they had this so far out of 1,700 dates to date. Meanwhile, the social arm of the Archdiocese of Manila has allocated pesos 70 million pesos to provide livelihood of the victims of Yolanda. PR Point Anton Pascual, active director of Caritas Manila, said the amount was on top of the intended 500 million pesos. The Catholic Vice-Conference of the Philippines National Secretary of Social Action has allocated for the church rehabilitation efforts in province devastated by typhoon. We have already finished a relief operation for the Yolanda Saver, and we have around 100 million pesos to the typhoon victims. In about Archdiocese of Manila has 70 million pesos for this purpose, said Pascual on the Search Run Radio yesterday. The internal funding will be used to build boats for school and churches, particularly in